So polynomials are put in classes by their degree. Degree 0. Degree 0 polynomial is like this. F of x is equal to 3, for instance. The graph of this is a horizontal straight line. Horizontal line, straight line. A polynomial function f of x is equal to mx plus b. If you draw its graph by placing x values in the vertical real number, horizontal real number line, and f of x in vertical real number line like x and y, then you will get a straight line. This type is called a linear function, straight. So recall straight line. The graph of a linear function f of x is equal to mx plus b, or y is equal to mx plus b. This is a straight line with slope m and y-intercept b. Recall this. Y-intercept b, therefore the line passes through 0, b. Okay. Some consider that means some people say any constant function as linear function is special case of linear function. You can also say linear function, the horizontal straight line is also a linear function. But if you distinguish these two, you call two types: horizontal constant function and linear function. And second degree polynomial function, for instance, f of x or b of x is equal to, or you can write y is equal to a squared plus bx plus c, this format. For instance, let's write y for f of x. Y is 2a squared plus 3a plus 4, for instance. This type is called a quadratic function, degree 2 polynomial. So you have to understand and note 4 basic properties of quadratic functions. Number 1, it is a cup shape, opening upward or opening downwards, going down to negative infinity, going up to positive infinity, cup or cap, we can say. 2, it has a turning point, the point in the middle, okay, going down after the turn up. Here going up after the turn down, turns down, like this. This point is called a vertex. So vertex has x value, y value. So the value, x value of vertex is given by this equation, negative b by 2a here. A, B, the leading coefficient and second leading coefficient, negative b by 2a. You note this. This is given by mathematics. And it has a vertical line. The format of a vertical line is x is equal to some number. In this case, x value is negative b by 2a. Therefore, this is the vertical line passing through the vertex. The x value of the vertex is negative b by a. Therefore, this straight line, vertical line, is called the line of symmetry. This line is imaginary line. This line is not in the graph, not part of the graph. About this line, left and right of the graph are identical. The same on the left of this line, on the right of this line. Note this. Number 4, if the leading coefficient a is positive, the graph is the cup shape, going up to the left and to the right. If a, the leading coefficient a is negative, then the shape will be downward, like cap, going down to the left and right. So note these 4 properties. Try to remember these 4 properties.